In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a bet on Sportsbet. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up my Sportsbet account on my device. And now before to place a bet on your Sportsbet app, you need to deposit some money. So to deposit money, you want to go down and click on more, bottom right hand corner of the screen here. And then you want to head to deposit. So you want to deposit some money. Now from here, you want to click on add new, and then you want to choose your deposit method. So it would be debit card, Powerdy, PayPal, or instant. And if you want a 1 to 3 day deposit option, you can use BPay or bank transfer if you want to place bets at a future date. Once you've done that, so for this demonstration, you want to transfer some money from a debit card, click debit card, put in your card number, expiry date, CVV, your deposit amount, and then click on deposit now. Now once you've done that, that will be instantly put into your account. So then go back to home, and now there's lots of different ways, a lot of different markets to bet on Sportsbet. As you can see here, we got racing, sports. Along here we got horses, greyhounds, harness, futures, jockeys, etc, etc. And at the top here you also got racing and sports. So yeah, there's a lot of different ways to place bets, but for this demonstration we're going to place some bets on the horses. Go ahead and click on horses, and now if we go at the top here, you've got different tabs here. So you can place bets for today, tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, futures and extras. But for this demonstration I'm going to put a bet on today, so I'm going to choose where I want to place a bet on, so you can have a look at all the different horses and locations. So they got quite a few here as we scroll down. So if I want to put a race on in Newcastle, I'm going to click on Newcastle, and now choose which race you want to place your bet on. So any one of these, and you can see the times on the right hand side as well. If we scroll down, you got your multiples as well. So you got your running doubles, you got your quaddies, early quaddies, treble, daily doubles, etc. But for this demonstration, I'm going to choose the Daily Family Funerals, race 7. And now you got these tabs here. So you got win or place, same race multi. You got your exotics, you got your quaddies and more. But I'm just going to place a simple bet on a win or place. So I'm going to scroll down, have a look at the different horses. So if I want to, if anything strikes, or if I'm feeling lucky on one of these. So as you can see, they've got favorites here as well. So that's paying $4. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on Iconic Treasure. I'm going to put some money on him. And once you click onto it, you can see his the history as well of this horse. If we keep scrolling down, you can see more. So now if I like this odd here at $4, I want to click onto it. And now say 2-leg multi, I'm going to click on bet now. Comes back up, bet now. All right, if I scroll down, here it is here. So Iconic Treasure, fixed. Can do win, place, or each way. So I'm going to put $10 each way on this. So I want to put $10. And it will show you the potential returns as well. And now from here, so you see your total stake and your potential returns. So go ahead and click on quick bet. And because I don't have any money in my account, I need to put a deposit. So if you don't have any money, just click on make a deposit, and then you can make that bet.